Ovens are the lifeblood of a commercial kitchen. Dirty oven racks not only are eyesores, but they can slow down the performance of your entire unit. With these easy steps, you can have your oven racks looking spotless in no time. Let's get started. Start by removing the racks from the oven. Make sure you also remove the rack supports, so they can be cleaned as well. If the racks have stuck-on grease or food stuck to them, start by soaking them for about 20 minutes. Use a combination of warm water and either mild dish soap or ammonia. Run each rack in warm water and scrub thoroughly using mild dish soap. If there is a lot of grease or food stuck on, use a nylon brush or soak the racks in warm water and soap while you clean the rest of the unit. Avoid using steel wool, it can damage the rack's finish. Once they've dried, place the support and racks back inside the oven. Well, there you have it. That's how you clean commercial oven racks. This is Parts Town signing off. We'll see you next time.